Hello and welcome. In this video, I am going to show you a very easy and efficient way of creating compost from kitchen scraps. For this you do not need to buy any specialty composters, or any expensive containers. On average, families throw away 500 kilograms of kitchen waste every year. This is a simple way to turn waste into profit. For composting you can use everything, besides meat, milk and oil products. It is best to use vegetables, fruits, grains, seeds, tea bags, coffee and garden waste like grass or leaves. Coffee grounds, after being used to make coffee, become almost neutral with a pH level around 6. Coffee grounds have a carbon to nitrogen ratio of 20:1, which is good for composting. Since coffee grounds are very rich in nitrogen, they will heat up the composting pile, and stay heated for approximately 2 weeks, which will help other scraps to decompose faster. This is what you have to do. Dig a 30 to 40 centimeters deep hole near bushes or trees. Fill the hole with kitchen scraps, and put a layer of soil on top of it. Composting is an aerobic process and requires a significant quantity of air, this is why the hole should be shallow. Besides air, it needs carbon and nitrogen for the bacteria and fungi to start composting. Carbon and nitrogen, in different amounts, is present in all kitchen waste as well as water. Vegetables and fruits are rich in nitrogen. But fallen leaves, garden waste, wood branches, tea bags, coffee filters, corn and sunflower seeds are good source of carbon. The perfect carbon to nitrogen ratio for composting is 25:1. Rain or artificial watering is required to speed up the process. Direct contact with surrounding soil provides all the necessary microorganisms, and most importantly, earthworms. Earthworms, by eating organic waste, produce humus or worm manure. If you check the compost 2 weeks later, you will see that all the soft fruit and vegetables have almost deteriorated. Banana peels, zucchini and oranges will be blended with soil. Harder vegetables like onion, beet, and cabbage will require more time. Sunflower seeds, nuts and wood chips will be last to decompose. Here, we stopped adding kitchen scraps to our compost hole 2 months ago. But we collected that organic waste for the whole winter, and now we have our fresh compost ready to go. The composting process is really slow in the winter, due to low temperatures. When the temperature is rising, in spring, everything starts to decompose very fast. There are also lots of earthworms, which is an endless source of live bait, if you like go fishing. And since they are constantly moving around inside the composting pile, they will also improve air circulation. This is good for those of you who don't like to shovel over your pile, the worms will do the job for you. Now it is time to put that around your plants in your garden, especially the ones growing far from the compost pile so that they too can benefit. Phytotoxins which accumulate in the soil during degradation, allows the fresh compost to act as a pesticide, killing unwanted bugs and scaring others away. By using fresh compost you can reduce weeds and pathogens. We are using our homemade fertilizer for everything including raspberries, gooseberry, blackcurrant, whitecurrant and blooming plants such as hydrangea, clematis, succulents and other flowers. They are growing like crazy, and look very happy and lively in our garden. Please leave your questions and comments below, and thank you for watching.